Security was tightened in the Raigad region of Maharashtra after the recovery of a mysterious boat loaded with weapons near the beach on Thursday. According to local police officials, no person was present in the boat, but some arms, including an AK-47 and ammunition, were found. Following the development, a team of the Maharashtra Anti-Terrorist Squad was rushed to the spot, they said. The Coast Guard and Maharashtra Maritime Board have been informed and investigations are underway, police officials added. There were also reports that an abandoned lifeboat was also found in a nearby area. More details were awaited in this regard. The presence of the mysterious boat raised alarm bells as Mumbai had been targeted by Pakistan-based terrorists on November 26, 2008. The terrorists had entered the city by sea route. Raigad MLA Aditi Tadkare said that as per the primary information, some boats containing weapons and documents were found in Harihareshwar and Bharatkhol of Sri Vardhan in Raigad. The local police are probing the matter, and I have demanded the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister to urgently appoint a special team of ATS or state agency to look into the matter, she added. The security in the Raigad and its nearby areas was tightened following the recovery of the two boats. More details into the matter are awaited.